In this tutorial you will learn how to take train from Brussels Airport. First buy your ticket at the ticket machine at Brussels Airport. You can find the ticket machine near to the luggage reclaim. After it, follow the exit sign to the airport. It's -1. Go to the exit and go to the train station. You have to follow the signs for exit train. By the elevator you see which platform you have to take. It's -1, so -1 for the trains. You can go by the elevator. Just take the elevator to -1. Follow the arrow to the train station. Follow the arrow and the sign exit. The exit you will see which train will leave on which platform. Be careful and take the right train. It's not a problem if you take another train from the airport because all trains pass by Brussels, but you need to get out then in Brussels and change from train. If you are at -1, you can still buy a ticket at the ticket machine or at the office, the ticket office, and then you have to go through the gates. You need your ticket before you can go through the gates. You see the railway station is closed. You need to put your ticket, your train ticket, on the machine. Before you go through the gates, look how you have to hold your ticket to open the gates. Otherwise it can be annoying for other travelers. So keep it in the right angle. Scan your train ticket by holding it under the machine. If your train ticket is okay, the gates will open and you can pass. If you checked the train tables, you can check them again and then you know to which platform you have to go. For example, platform number 1, 2, 3. Just go down. You have stairs that go automatically, or you can also go to the corner and take the normal stair.